fix Instagram Reels Share Friends list not showing. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix Instagram Reels Share Friend not showing issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up your settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Apps. Now, from this list of apps, tap Instagram. Then tap storage. Now tap clear cache. Then tap clear data and tap on the delete option. This is going to delete the application's data. Now launch open Instagram, log into your account and check if the problem is fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, next thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now search Instagram. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If that doesn't work, you can simply uninstall the app. Once it has been uninstalled, reinstall it from Play Store, then launch it open, and now you will find that your issue has been fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.